Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put into number 2 multiplied by tan s over s to the power of 2. Next I will put this limit go in here. So we know that tan of as over as we have about number 1. So coefficient of s in here that's about 1s, and this one that is about 1s. So when s approach to number 0, this one you got about number 1, and we have number 2 multiplied by 1 square, and we have number 2, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.